How to use TWIC card at airport. Ensure your TWIC card is activated and unexpired. Find the CIN number of your TWIC card. When booking a flight, enter the CIN number in the known traveler field. If booking by phone or through a travel agent, provide the CIN number. Verify your name and date of birth on the reservation. Complete the reservation process. Look for TSA PreCheck logo on your boarding pass. If not present, contact the airport before check-in to add it. At the airport, present the boarding pass with the TSA PreCheck logo. Use the TSA PreCheck lane for expedited security screening. Hope you understood the topic. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.